Hi everyone, welcome to West Art Creations. Today we will learn how to draw different kind of lipsticks. I hope you will love it. Now let's color them one by one.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
If you like the videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more drawing videos. Bye bye.